Hi friends, in today's video we are going to learn how we can install Python on Visual Studio. So we'll follow the below steps. First we'll install Visual Studio Code, then we'll install Python. After that we'll connect Python on Visual Studio and then we'll run our first program on Python. So let's get started. So first you have to go to Google, type Visual Studio Code and hit enter. Then the first website code.visualstudio.com. Just click on this, you will reach to this site. This is a download button for Windows. If you are downloading it for Windows, if you want to download for Mac or Linux, just select the appropriate type. So I am downloading it for Windows, so I'll just click on this and the download will be done. So I'd already downloaded, just VS Code user setup. So I'll just double click on this and this pop-up comes up. Then you have to accept the agreement, click next. If you want to create a desktop icon, just select this and click next. After that click on install and the installation will be in progress. So in the meantime installation is done. I'll tell you how you can download it, the Python. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds. If this is done quickly, it is extracting all the files and load it into your program library. Okay, meantime this installation is in progress. I'll tell you how you can download the Python. So again, just go to Google, type Python. Website for Python is www.python.org, and this is the official site. If you want to go to download, if you want to download the latest package, which is Python 3.12.1, you can just simply click here. If you want to download a specific package, just click on Windows if you want to download it for Windows, and here are the list of packages. So I'm going to download this 3.11.6 version, so just click on this and your download will be start. And just check the status. So okay, so my Visual Studio code is being installed. Let's just click on finish. So it launched my Visual Studio Code. So we'll install Python first. Go to download. I already installed this 3.11.6. I'll just double click on this. Click add path to .exe to path and click install now. So installation of Python is in progress. We'll wait for a few seconds to get this done. So installing all the different libraries from Python 3.11.6 to your desktop. So guys, it takes few seconds to get this download complete, this installation complete. So just wait. Okay, so our installation is completed. Let's close it. We'll check whether the installation is done properly or not. Just type cmd, go to your command prompt, write python space python version and hit enter. So yes, our python is installed successfully. So now let's go to Visual Studio Code. You'll get this pop-up. Just close this, go here, Explorer, and just create a new folder if you want. Open editor. So whichever folder you want to create, just go to your editor and I'd create this folder prints. Now how to install Python here, we'll create a file here called demo.py. Just hit enter. So your Python file is created. So write our first code, print successfully installed Python on VS. Okay, so you have to go to file and just click on save all. Now right click on this, go to run Python in terminal. So here the message, successfully install Python on VS. If you are getting an error or a pop-up to install Python extension, just click on install and that Python extension will be installed. And this is how we can set up the Python on Visual Studio Code. Thank you. That's it from this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel.